In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language of your Facebook ads in just a few simple steps. Whether you're targeting a new demographic or trying to optimize your ads for a different market, understanding how to adjust the language settings of your Facebook ads is crucial. First, let's head over to the Facebook Business Manager. For many of you who regularly run ads, this platform may already be quite familiar. If it's your first time, don't worry. It's designed to be intuitive. You'll start by logging in with your Facebook credentials. This step ensures that you are accessing the correct business account associated with your Facebook profile. Once you're logged in, you'll likely see a list of accounts you manage or have access to. It's important to select the correct account where you wish to make changes to the ad language. Ensure you're choosing the right business identity to avoid any mix-ups. Next, navigate to the lower left panel and click on Ads. This action will take you closer to where you need to be. Following that, click on Ads Manager. For those who prefer a shortcut, you can directly visit Facebook Ads Manager by typing adsmanager.facebook.com into your browser's address bar. A handy tip for returning users. Now that you're in Ads Manager, go to the Campaigns section. This part of the platform is where all your advertising magic happens, from planning to execution. After selecting Campaigns, the next step is to click on Ad Sets. Ad sets are essentially subsets of your campaign, where you can fine-tune the details such as targeting and budget. Once you've found the ad set you wish to modify, click on Edit. This action opens up a wide range of settings you can adjust, but for today we're focusing specifically on language, so look for the Languages section. This might require a bit of scrolling, but it's there. This section is crucial for tailoring your ad to reach speakers of your targeted language more effectively. Upon clicking Languages, a search bar will appear, allowing you to type in and search for the language you want your ads to target. It's a straightforward process. Just start typing, and Facebook will suggest languages based on your input. Once you've found and selected the desired language from the list, you're almost at the finish line. The final step is to click on Publish. This action applies all the changes you've made, including updating the language setting of your ad set. Once published, Facebook will review your ad as per usual protocol before it goes live with the new language settings. This review process is standard and ensures that all content on the platform aligns with Facebook's advertising policies. A few parting tips to consider. Always double check the language you've selected before publishing. It might seem minor, but selecting the wrong language can significantly impact the effectiveness of your ads. Additionally, after your ads are live, monitor their performance. Keep an eye on metrics such as engagement and conversion rates to see if your language adjustments are moving you closer to your advertising goals. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language of your Facebook ads. This adjustment can help you tailor your advertising strategy to better suit the demographics of your target audience, potentially leading to improved engagement and better overall performance of your ads. Whether you're expanding into new markets or optimizing existing campaigns, understanding how to control every aspect of your ads, including language, gives you an edge in the ever-competitive digital space. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on mastering Facebook's advertising platform. Happy advertising!